Hi students, I hope that you are doing great. For any student in CA final who wishes to do Scmpe in the fastest possible way, covering the entire module, that is 3 things: theory, case studies and the practical portion, we are going to be doing a crash course in Andheri from 9th of August. There are 3 options for this crash course. First, you can attend it face to face. Second, you can attend it in a virtual live manner. Or third, recordings will be available from 15th of August. You can take the recordings also. These are the 3 options, but please do select only one of the 3 options. It will be suitable for all those students who want to be doing it fresh. That is one thing. Second, who want to be doing a recap of whatever you all have done before. If there are any weak areas or painstaking areas, we are going to be covering all those things. So the complete details, the prospectus, fees, which we have kept quite affordable this time, is all available on our Telegram channel. You can download from there. The link and everything is there in the prospectus. You all can go through that. For any help or any doubts that you might have, you can always call us on 8080324444 or message us on a Telegram ID that goes by the name of @AJNext. Do spread the word. Mind you, at Andheri, it's going to be a physical batch, so therefore we will have the limitation of seats. So do enroll as soon as you can. Thank you guys. Bye.